Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive student discount on Asus laptops. So whether you are a student, teacher, faculty member, or someone else, you can save big on your next Asus purchase. Let's get started. So first over to the education store here. So, this is the one, Asus education store. You can find the link right here. So I'll also put the link in the description. And then scroll down to the application section. If you're eligible, you'll need to fill out the application form. This form asks you to uh, ask for your educational institution details, and you'll need to upload a document like your student ID or school registration receipt to verify your status. After submitting the application, check your inbox for a verification mail. You will need to click the link in the email to verify your identity. Once you have verified your email, your application will be reviewed. This typically takes around 3 to 5 business days. So don't worry, once it is approved, you'll get an email notification confirming your access. And once done, your application is verified, you can log into the Asus Education Store and where you will have access to exclusive discounts on laptops and other products. And that's all there is to it. Now you're ready to shop and save on Asus laptops with your student discount. It's a simple process and the savings are totally worth it.